here's our jump ball. First possession goes to San Andres 2. Here's Ricky. Valero passes down low. Michael Mora opening up the scoreboard with a 2-point conversion. Now here is Barangay Sabang on the retaliation. 3-point shot will miss. But for the loose board of Bonnie Anthony, here's Bernardo. Hands off to Valero. Ricky. Setting up the play for San Andres. It's the crossword pass down low to top pair. Galula passes inside and Vanessa loses it. But for the loose board of Bonnie Bernardo. Crossword pass, 8 seconds on the shot clock. A shot won't go. Ball goes overboard. Ball goes the other way. Turn over for San Andres 2. Almost a minute and 5. Here is Leslie Belloy. Setting up the play, asking for a pick. Shoots it over to Eno. The shot will miss, but for the loose board, now Urhani Ricky. Here's Valero. On the play he goes. Goes for the attack underneath. Yeah, no. He goes to Eno. Out to Sumikara rather. Here's Laurel. On the play to Sabida. Coach Luca for the shot, will miss. But for the loose board, now going to come there. Here's Galura. Hands up to Bernardo. Having a slow pace start here in the opening quarter. Here's Valero, Ricky. She's over the Pantalon. George making his way in. And that will be a traveling. Turn over for San Andres 2. But they're still up by 2 points. Still to none. Almost 2 minutes gone by. 8 minutes and 20 to go. Here is Leslie Bello. She's over. The shot is too strong. For Marvin Eno. Here's the break. Here's San Andres 2. Top pair. Using the glass. Too strong. You want those to Marvin Eno. Off the Subikara. Coach Nito inside. First field goal off this ball game for Sabang goes for Carlito Sabida. Here is the break. Here's Mora. On the top of the key, shot clock winding down. 10 seconds to shoot. The 3-point shot underway. Valdez Pantal, long puts it back. Misses, rebound goes to Sabida. To Silver Caray. Laurel all the way, down the lane. Touchdown. The Sabang defenders now up by 2 points, 4-2. With 7 minutes remaining here in our first quarter. Now here is Galura. Top there. Passes to the corner. Anthony with a hesitation. Up to Valero. Ricky. Spins. Wide open passes inside. The blocks there, but there will be a foul. Foul ball number 10. His first personal foul on Carlito Sabida. First team foul for Sabang. 2 free throws for George Pantaleon. Two out of 3 for George. We are tied now 4 points apiece. First one now on the score game here is Leslie Bello. Setting it up. Hand up to Laurel. Subricana inside, but that is too strong for most days. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Mechanical error lang po. Mechanical error. Nagbasa ko lang po. 14 on the shot clock. Here's the neck-up play there. From Barangay Sabang, Marvin Eno. From Carlito Sabida. Now here's the break for San Andres 2. Bernardo off the shot. Running gun goes in. Anthony Bernardo with that shot. Here is Wesley from downtown. Nowhere to go. Battle for the loose board. Number 1 Mora. Michael. Third. Ricky. That will be a miss. For Ricky Valero. Now here is Marlon. Eno. Passes inside. Bella kicks it out. On the Anticipation is there. Here is the break for San Andres 2. Mora passes inside. Pantalon Gomez. Down to the block for Supricaray. Goes recovered by Fernando. Anthony. Pass inside to George. And there will be a whistle. Foul call on number 10. The second personal foul for Carlito Sabida. Substitution. Artie Evangelista checks in for Carlito Sabida. Murphy throws for George Pantaleon. Zero out of 2 for George. This line from the free throw area. Here is the defenders looking to attack. Beloy hands off to Supricaray. Laurel. All the way down the lane, pass to Evangelista Gomez. And here is Wesley for the recovery. There's a 3! 3-point shot here for Guys Sarang. There's the answer here on the other side. Third over for San Andres 2. Here is Tucker, Galuna with a letter. Up against Supricaray. Good pass to Palero. Ricky, all the way up to Gomez. Second shot will go for Ricky Palero. Lead is down to a single figure, 9-8. There's a 3-point shot on the way. That is a short one, but there's a good back. Timeout. And we are back to the whole game. 11-20 our sword. 2-point advantage for the defenders. Here is Anthony Bernardo. He's going to the corner. Valero has it to Bell. Stolen there by Supricaray. Now here is Marvin Eno. Stop it, top 3. Now, for the loose ball, Evangelista to the rest there. Artie Evangelista getting that offensive board and a conversion. And that will be an offensive foul against number 13, first personal foul for Doc Vergara. First foul. Here is Supricaray. Laurel with another. Hands off, to Eno. Marvin. Looking for a handoff. Passes. Ostis. Substitution. Mara Bernaldez fixing for Doc Vergara. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Here's the neck of the air. Hardy Evangelista with a back-to-back tears. Off that conversion. Now here is Valero. Ricky passes to Mora. George is there. Mora. Handing it up. Passes to Ricky. Pantalon down low. Nowhere to go. Better for the loose ball. Well, Buddy George. Muscles his way in on the shot clock. Shot clock 14, more and fresh. Goal stolen by Sabang. And here is the break. And here is Bernardo. Passes inside. Bernaldez with the conversion. He is down to 3 points, 15-12. Now here is Eno. Marvin passes to Hardy once again using the gas. 6 points already now for Hardy Evangelista, dominating the shaded area. Entering the 2-minute mark of this first quarter action. Zubola, good back now, that's for 3. Nowhere to go. Here's the break for the defenders. Here's Ryan. Passes. And there is a whistle. Foul number 19. Michael Mora, his first personal foul, second team foul. 19 on the shot clock for Barangay Sabang. He is Subricana, Lovell. To Ryan, Delara. On the Subricana for 3. Yes, sir. Lovell Subricana, 3. 5 points now for Lovell Subricana off the 3-point conversion. Almost out of bounds on that sequence. 15 on the shot clock for San Andres 2. Now here is Manchano Gimba. To Bernaldez for 3. In and out, now for the loose board. Now Uhayan de Roel, here's Morante. Passes, stolen there. And there's a whistle on that play. Foul number 31, it is Ryan Delada. His first personal foul, 13 foul. 18 on the shot clock. 18 seconds to work with for Barangay San Andres 2. Now here's Christopher Quintana. As off, the shot for Negros. Mongo, rebound by Subricana. Bending that, and he is called for the traveling. Substitution. Mark J. Conanan checks in for Marvin Anok. Luis Galala. Eduardo mounting that ladder. Another surrender over for San Andres 2. Now here is Ryan Delala. Setting up a way for the defenders. He's forward. Subricana once again from the parking lot. Yes, sir! Lovell Subricana, 3! Time for a loose ball here. Out of bounds, full stays. That is the last time out for the first half for Barangay San Andres 2. 11-point advantage for the Sabang defenders. Here at our opening frame, here is Edgardo Galura on the inbound. From the sideline, passes. Barbara loose board now for Edgardo. Galura with the reverse. Classic move there from Edgardo Galura. Here's Subricana, he stops, pass station is there. Up against Galura, passes. Goes the other way this time, but they're still up by 9 points. 16 seconds remaining here, the first quarter. Shot clock is off. 16 seconds remaining. Here is Anthony Negros. There will fail. Up against Hardy, go pass inside. Bernaldez will pass, here's Subricana. For the Hail Mary, will miss. At the end of the first quarter, our score, 23-13 for the Sabang defenders. Start of our second period. Sabang defenders is up by 9, 23-14. Here's Jericho De Castro. Passes to Zilitos. Hanson to the corner. The jumper is there. Yes, sir. Edson Vega on the bench with 2 points now. And here is San Andres 2. He's Hardy. Long passes. And he is fouled from behind. Foul number 0. Jericho De Castro, his first personal foul, first team foul. First shot is a miss. Nose lane rather for George Pantaleon. He has 3 points already now. 2 for 2 for him. Lead is down to 9 points, 25-16. Now here is Jericho. Calls for the traveling turnover for the defenders. Almost a minute gone by. We're having a slow pace start here in the second quarter. Here is Roland Bernaldez. Swings over to Negros. Anthony. Up against De Castro. Spins. Kicks out. Shot went down. 15 seconds to work with. Swings. Frontal low. Passes to the wrong man. De Castro has it. Jericho. Both stays and there's a whistle. Foul call on number 8 is Edgardo Galuga, his first personal foul, first team foul. 20 on the shot block for the Sabang defenders. It is Samson. Passes, Sausalito to De Castro. Having some trouble. Passes out of nowhere. Ball on the babalik sa San Andres there. Back-to-back turnovers for the defenders. Now here is Bernaldez. Roland. She's over to the left side. Back to Roland. Bernaldez from the parking lot. Who's from on that release? Now here's Jericho De Castro. Regains the leader. Crossword pass. Mark has it. Good not and good drive. Lopez. Good back. Nowhere to go. And here is San Andres looking to attack. Substitution. Randy Franco checks in for Roland Bernaldez. 19 seconds to work with still. Now here's Negros. Anthony to the left side. 14. That is a short one. Rebound goes to De Castro. Here is Jericho. Deep pass. Gonanan has it. Also number 13, he drives, he goes, and he is fouled.
Pasok. Yung sa ginit, ang ginit, uy! Yung sa ginit.
Foul call number 15 is Manshana Gimba, his first personal foul. 17 foul, 2 free throws for Christopher Dado. Substitution. Ricky Valero is back. Checks in. For Manshana Gimba. And here is Ricky Valero to the elbow. Back to Valero. Ricky will attack. Up against there. Up in under passes. And there is a whistle. Foul ball number 24, Mark J. Gonanan, his first personal foul, 17 foul. 14 on the shot block. Here's the tackle play there. Loda misses the shot. Gonanan gets the position. Now here's Mark J. Mark having some trouble there. Lead pass to Erickson. Vega against Bill. Off to Gonanan. 15 seconds to work with. Attacks down the lane, will miss. George gets this letter. Here is Ricky. Up against there. Passes. And he is fouled. Foul ball number 3 is Erickson Vega. His first personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution. Whereas Labello is back for the Sabang defenders. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 18 seconds to work with for San Andres 2. Here's the shot from the elbow. Will miss from Negros. Now here is Wesley. Beloy on the play. Up against Ricky. Crossword pass from the parking lot. Yes, sir! Erickson Vega, 3! It is raining trees now for Barangay Sabang defenders. From the three-point shot, they are up by 13. Here's the break. Valero, 10 on the shot clock. Ricky on the ball. Passes inside. 5 seconds to shoot. The fake is there. The shot. Negros will miss. Back for the loose form of Money George. Here is Pantalon. Spins, kicks out. Back to Negros. 5 seconds to shoot. The block is there. Shot clock violation. Substitution. Dr. Galura checks in for Anthony Negros. Substitution. Joey Cantada checks in for Borgie Conan. Here is Franco. Randy. Here is Franco. Now here is Bella. Wrestling. On the break. He goes. Up in the middle. Will miss. Back for the score ball for the Ricky. Valero is there, and there is a foul. Foul by number 1, Joey Cantada. Substitution. Marty Evangelista checks in for Christopher Dalo. His first personal foul on Joey Cantada. Now here's the break. Galura passes inside. Antalyon is wrong. Hard for the loose ball on the wrestling. Now here is Beloy. Will Cleo passes. And he is going for the family. Ball goes back for San 2. But the defender still up by 13. Here's Romeo Advincola checks in for San Andres 2. Here's Franco. Randy to the corner. Top there for 3. Yes, sir! Top there, Galura. 3! That is the first 3-point field goal for Top there, Galura. Lead is down to 10 points. Here's Beloy. Wesley. Pass to the left side. The shot. Will miss. Hardy. For the put back. Nowhere to go. Time for the sport. Now Buddy Randy. Now here is Ricky. Valero. On the fan. All the way up he goes. Misses. Or for the loose board. Ball goes to Sabah. Correction to go. Ball stays with San Andres 13 on the shot clock. Substitution. Jonathan Abelio is back. Checks in for Joselito Samson. 14 on the shot clock. Here's the neck play there. And there will be a foul. Foul ball number 1 is Joey Cantada. His second personal foul. 2 free throws for Ricky Valero. Sabang defenders entering the penalty zone now. It's 2 out of 2 for Ricky Valero. Playing with 4 points already. Still 3 minutes and 44 seconds to go. Lead is down to 8 points. Here's the play. There is a whistle. Foul ball number 13. Spare Galura. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 14 on the shot clock. Here's Abelio. She's over to Abelio. Wesley to the middle. Anticipation is there. Stolen by San Andres there. Here's Galuda to Ricky. Palero on the way. Nowhere to go. Palero for the second time. And he is fouled this time on that shot. The foul spelling number 12 is Wesley Beloy. His first personal foul. 2 free throws for Ricky Palero. Zero attitude here for Ricky Palero on that free throw on them. Here goes Abello. Here is Wesley. Stolen by Palero. Here is Ricky now on the lane for the touchdown. 6 points already now for Ricky Palero. High scorer for San Andres 2. Here is Hardy. Pass inside to Abello. 4 points now for Jonathan Abello. Off that shot, they're still up by 8, 31-23. Still under 2 minutes to go. Here's Galuda for play. Lopez, Ibang Paligado. Galuda passes inside. Stolen by Cantada. Here's Joey. Having some trouble with the handles. Still wrestling. Beloy, lead pass. Abello with the reception. He goes, passes inside. Hardy with the finish. 8 points now for Hardy Evangelista. Entering the 2-minute mark of this first half, here is Franco, Randy to there. Galuda to Randy, stolen by Wesley. And there will be a whistle. Foul number 22, it's Randy Franco. His first personal foul, 14 foul, substitution. And the Lola checks in for Randy Franco. And the Negros checks in for Eduardo Galuda. It's Laurel Subregada who is back in the slow game, playing in with 8 points already, and there will be a whistle. Foul number 13, his third personal foul for Galuda, penalty. First infraction is foul on Galuda. His third personal foul. San Andres 2 in the penalty. Technical foul for San Andres 2 for improper bench Ligaro. Two free throws for Joey Cantada. Two free throws for this for Joey. Here's San Andres 2. On the attack, where passes. Palero on the other way. Yes, sir. 8 points now for Ricky Palero, the lead man for San Andres 2. Yusuf Bekala asking for a pick. Up against Ricky. Passes. Here's to the stage. Joey Willer nobody. Shot up going down. 10 seconds remaining. Number is scored. San Andres gives it off. Here's Galuda for the touchdown. That was a short one on the layout. Here's to Bekala. Lowell passes to Joey. Cantada. Stolen by Palero. Here's Ricky. Water Rider on the attack. He goes in and out. We don't play hard. to go. Here's Abelio. Passes the shot from Logan. Won't go. Abelio once again. Jonathan to Joey. In and out. Back-to-back misses from both teams. Right now. Barangay Sabah. On the timeout, official score 33-25. Here is Jonathan Abelio. Swings it over to Marvin. And up against Galura. Passes inside. Hardy with the reception. Shot clock winding down. So Bernardo has it. 9 seconds to shoot. From downtown. This time, Abelio for the putback. Jonathan Abelio with 6 points already. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds remaining. Here's Ricky with a fake. And he's fouled. Foul number 85, penalty. That is first personal foul for Well Morante. Here he throws for Ricky Palero. Nine points now for Ricky Palero. One out of two for Ricky. They have a couple of seconds to go. Ball stays with Southern Lister. Eleven seconds remaining. Anticipation from Supreme Aray. He scores the letter. 5 seconds remaining. Passes. He's one stepping out of bounds. 1 second to go. The big corner for the Hail Mary. But the clock will expire at the end of first and first quarter. 35-26 for the Sabah defenders. Here's the start of our third quarter. Here is Ryan Dillon. Starting here in the third second half. A turnover is there. Ball goes the other way. Here's Ricky Palero. Setting it up to the left side. Back to Ricky. Palero, Somora, Forte. Well missed. Right for the loose board over to Anthony. Negros passes too strong. Sapita gets it. Here is Carlito. And he's fouled on the layup. Foul number 24 is Ricky Palero. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for Carlito Sapita. First shot is a miss for Coach Lito. 0 out of 2 for him. And for the loose board, ball stays with Sabah. Well, on the shot clock, here is Manzor. Abdel passes to Sabah. And he's called for the traveling. The Sabah defenders go up by 9 points, 35-26. Here is Ricky Valero. Swings, stolen game. Here's the break for the defenders. All the way, touchdown! Roel Durant is too great on that transition. Converted into points. Here's Ricky. Passes to Anthony. Bernardo back to Valero. Takes up the shot. Misses. Valero scored now on Loren. Here's Sublicaray on the break. Passes. Delara with the reception. All the way up. That is a short one. Ball goes the other way this time. Turn over for the defenders. On that transition of here is San Andres still looking to attack. Yung flash po, ma'am, patay po. Makikisuyo mo na flash. Salamat. Here's Pantaleon. George underneath. Yes, sir. 6 points down for the big man of San Andres 2, George Pantaleon. Here's Monzon. Arnel. Stubborn top 3. Lopez back for the score ball. George. Pantaleon. Off to number 13 passes. George getting the basket. And the one. Foul is on number 4. His first personal foul for Laurel Sublicaray. First team foul. Little shot is a miss for George. Rebound goes to Laurel. Here's Sublicaray. Setting up the tempo for the defenders. Will attack. Up against Bernardo. The shot goes in with that one-hander. 10 points now for Laurel Sublicaray. First player to get double figures in this whole game. Now here is Bernardo. Anthony. Setting up the play. Launches the shot. Goes on ICBM Gomez. Back for the loose board. Negros secures it. Anthony to Ricky. Valero with that spin. Drop pass underneath. George Pantaleon with a finish. George Pantaleon with 10 points now. Leading scorer for San Andres 2. Here is Torres. Sublicaray with 11. Swings, passes too strong. Turn over for them. Now here is Valero. Ricky. She's on the right side. Anthony has it. Valero sizing up his defender. Shot number 10. Passes. Bernardo puts up the shot. That is the short one. There is a whistle. Foul call number 21 is Anthony Bernardo. His first personal foul, 17th foul. Substitution. Michael Mora checks in for Anthony Kaimoy. Here is Ryan Delara. Still up by 7 points. 39-32. Passes to the right side. Down low. The shot from Morante goes in. Roel Durant with that strong move inside a shaded area. Lead is back to 9. Here is Ricky Valero. He's over to the corner. Bernardo asking for pick. Back to Ricky. Shot number 10. Spins. Hits. And there is a whistle. Foul call number 4, it is Laurel Sublicaray, his second personal foul. 17th foul, substitution. Galora checks in for Anthony Negros. And that is Ubano Brother. The shot will be. Passes inside, Sublicaray with it still. Here is the break now. Delara. Two long situation, passes to Morante with a cleanup. Here's Galura. Pass is stolen. Here's the break. Sublicaray. All alone. 12 points down for him. Here's Ricky Valero. Wheel away, breaks away from the defense, shots far, goes in, yes sir. 11 points now for Ricky Valero. Here is Delana. Pass to the middle. High post isolation play for Sapida. Takes up the shot. Gomez. Rebound goes to Pantaleon. Here is Palero once again. Ricky. All the way up. Touchdown. 13 big points now already for Ricky Palero. Here's Morante. Offensive foul on number 4. That is third personal foul on Laurel Subricaray. 13 foul. So under 4 minutes remaining here with our third quarter. Here's Fer Galula to Ricky with a hesitation. Drive. Fernando passes to the long man. One zone has it. It's Arnell. On the way, passes to Morgan. And of the Delana Gomez. Morante is there and he's foul. Foul number 19. Michael Mora. His second personal foul. 13 foul. 13 on the shot clock. Here's the big word by Grace Sabang. Ball stays 12 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Roland Bernaldo should save for Anthony Bernardo. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Here is Bella. Wesley passes to Monzon. Your man is short. Foul number 25. Roel Morante, his second personal foul, 14 foul. Luis Bear. Galura. Crossword pass. Ricky has it. 10 seconds to work it, and there will be a foul. Foul number 8, penalty. First personal foul on Arnel Monzon. Barangay Sabang entering the penalty zone. 2 free throws for Ricky Palero. Third down is a miss for Ricky. He's playing with 13 points already now. Two misses, but Ricky getting his own miss. Marvin passes. Fernandez has it. There's a big Mora all the way up. Here's the break. Evangelista has it. Hardy. Fernandez has it. Here's Palero. Ricky on the way, and he is fouled. Foul call number 5, Marvin Enoch. Penalty. 2 free throws for Ricky Palero. Substitution. 1 out of 2 from the free throw area for Ricky Palero. Lead is down to 8 points, 45-37. Here is Marvin Enoch, pass to the middle. Abel is blocked. Holding shot. And here's the make for San Andres 2. Here's Ricky with a spin. A pass down the lane. Yes, sir. 16 big points already now for Ricky Palero. Dito siya on the way, will miss. We won by Camber. Here's Galura. They're only down by 6. Hand up to the wrong man. Here's Jonathan. Abelio to Hardy is blocked. Foul call number 19. Michael Mora, his 3rd personal foul. Second foul. 50 throws for Hardy Evangelista.
Shoot. Ano ba yan?
Substitution, Celito Samson checks in. Ruel Morante. Lead is back to 7 points, 46-39. Here is Roland Fernandez setting up the lane to the corner. Valero will attack. Balona has it. Shama going down. Ball goes the other way. Here's the defenders on the other side. Abelio lays it in. Jonathan Abelio with 8 points now. From that layup, showing his athleticism on the shot of his medal. Off to Hernandez. Back to Ricky. Spins. The pass. That was out of bounds. Walang nakabalik sa sabang defenders. Here's Wesley. Beloy. Setting up the play for the defenders. He's over to Marvin. And up. Oscar pass. Shama winding down. Passes to Abelio once again. With a back-to-back 2 points. 10 points for him now. Here's Tucker. Galura to the left side. Pocket 3 underway. Misses. That's another smoke up on Ricky. Valero once again. Number to go. Bernardo 6% passes to the wrong man. Abelio to Beloy. Passes inside to Sampson. Gomez harder gets it to miss. Using up the glass. Yes, sir. Hardy Evangelista dominating the shaded area. He's playing with 11 points. Here's Belura from the parking lot. Misses. Devontae Sampson. Here's the break. And that ends the third quarter. The end of third quarter official score 52-39. Still in favor of Sabang defenders. The fourth and final quarter. Here's Ricky. Valero to Negros. Anthony. Oscar pass. Bringing down. 15 seconds to work with. Pass inside. Pantalon with the reverse. Double fingers now. George Pantalon with 14 points already. He is the Real Super. Setting up the play for the defenders. Serving the area of passes. The shot on the way. Won't miss. Put back by Jonathan Abelio. Double figures now for Jonathan Abelio off that shot. Lead is back to 13, 54-41. Here's Negros. Anthony. Hesitation. Pass inside. Pantalon loses the handles. Better for the loose boy. Here's the break. Supling Aray. All alone. Yes, sir. Here's Ricky. Shot is blocked. For the second time, yes. Now here is Supling Aray. Laurel. Balls anticipated. Balls please. Good Sabang. 18 on their shot clock. Here's the break. Goes on the score. Stolen gear. By Vega. Here's Erickson. That'll be a dribbling violation. Here is San Andres looking back. Here's Randy. Stolen gear by Banana. Here's the break. Supling Aray. Stepping on the gas. Touchdown. Playing with 16 points now. They're still up by 17, 58-41. Almost running this still good off the tango Pablo. Here is Palermo. Ricky passes to a score. Negros up in under. Yes, sir. First 2 points on this movie from Anthony Negros. Off the shot, there's a full pressure applied by San Cristóbal. Here's Sobregal. Taking the handoff. Using up the pick. And now again, offensive foul. Offensive foul on number 23. Jonathan Abelio. His first personal foul, first team foul. Here is Negros. Anthony with that swings. Hesitation. He's called for the traveling. Here is Conanan, Martin to Abuelo. Abelio launches the shot, season opening, Willis, back for the loose ball, Mawani. Palermo, here's Ricky. On the play, he goes. Ayat getting the basket and one. Foul number 24 is Ricky Palermo. Second personal foul, Ricky Palermo, second team foul. The block is there from Pantaleon. Here's the break, Negros has it. Abelio again touchdown. Here's Morante. Getting that possession. Roel, cross court. Abelio has it, shot clock winding down. Passes inside, shot clock winding down, and there will be a foul. Foul on number 24, Ricky Palermo. Second personal foul, Ricky Palermo. First shot goes in for Martin Conanan. Two for Martin. Sabang defenders is off by huge now. Here is Palermo, Ricky. Kick out pass. Pantaleon has it with a spin. Foul call number 23 is Jonathan Abelio. And second personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution from Pierre Calora checks in for Anthony Negros. First shot goes in for Pantaleon. 2 for 2 for George. 16 points now already for George Pantaleon on that free throw with them. Here's Martin Conanan. Hand up to Erickson. Here's Vega. To Sobregal. Passes on their way. Morante with a finish. Morante with 8. Entering the halfway mark of this 14th final quarter of action. Here's Bernardo for 3. Won't go. Back to Ellis Bernardo Conanan. And he is fouled. Foul on number 84 is third personal foul for Ricky Palermo. Second team foul. 22 on the shot clock. Here's Sobrecaray. Asking for a pick, passes, stolen by George. Pantaleon has it, hand off to Bernardo. Here's Anthony. Sitting the area with a spin. Out the pass, Galurla. All the way up and he's fouled. Foul call number 25, it is Roel Morante. His third personal foul, 14th foul. Still out of two for Cup there, but he gets his own miss. Here's a put back. Won't go. Palero gets it. And there is a whistle. Foul number 23, Jonathan Abelio. His third personal foul penalty. First shot goes in for Ricky. The back is here, yes sir. Here's Morante. All the way up he goes, Lopez. Morante once again for the second time around, yes sir. 10 points now for Ruel Morante. Fourth player to get double figures for Barangay Sabang. Poster pass, down low. Palero in and out on the time and he's fouled. Right now, Sabang, the foul is on number 24, it is fourth personal foul on Ricky Palero. Once again, fourth personal foul on Ricky Palero, 13th foul. We're back from Ogie, 4 minutes and 46 seconds to go. Winner for the final quarter. Here is Wesley Belloy. Setting up the play, hand off to Sobrecaray. Here's Laurel. To Marvin, and up. Hesitation is there, shot on 10. Passes to Bello. All the way up he goes. No miss this time. Goal goes to San Andres 2. It is the break for San Andres 2. Fernando has it, and there will be a whistle. Foul number 23, Jonathan Abelio. Penalty. That'll be his fourth personal foul. Defenders on the penalty zone. First shot goes in for Anthony Bernardo. Two for Anthony on that attempt. Lead is down to 11 points, 64 to 53. Use the break for the defenders. Hand up to Eno. Marvin using the pick. Sizing it up. Shot on 10. Here's Beloy. Loses it. Stolen by Bernardo. Here's Anthony. All the way up he goes. Blocked by Leslie. Both knees with San Andres 2. 19 seconds to work with under shot clock. Almost the other way this time, turning over for San Andres 2. Here is Sobrecaray. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Here is Morante. Now low Gomez. Rebound goes to Palero. Ricky with a spin. Kick out pass. Morante has it. Here is Flora. Passes to Ricky. Extra pass there. Gomez. Castillo is there for the defenders. Here is Marvin Eno. Hand off to Wesley. Shot waiting down for them. 10 seconds to work with. Supekaray all the way up Gomez. Loose Morgan, there will be a foul. Foul number 26, it is Romeo Advíncula, his first personal foul, 14 foul. 2 free throws for Roel Morante. Substitution, George Pantaleon is back. For Romeo Advíncula. Morante misses the first shot for the free throw line. One for him, substitution. Anthony Caima checks in for San Andres. Here is Anthony Bernardo. And also the letter for San Andres. Off the letter, William is there. The foul is on number 5, is Marvin Eno, penalty. The second personal foul. Some defenders on the penalty zone. 2 free throws for Ricky Palaro. For Ricky Palero on that tap, he's playing with 20 points now. Luis Morante having some trouble in the backcourt. And it has it, Supekaray all the way. Yes, sir. 80 points now for Roel Supekaray. Luis Bernardo from the parking lot will miss. Rebound goes to Abelio. Here's Jonathan. They'll raise the line now. Taking their time on this position. Last 2 minutes. Luis Palero, Ricky with a level. Passes to Bernardo for 3. Yes, sir. Anthony Bernardo, 3. He is down to 10 points, 67 to 57. Here's Supekaray, passes. Stolen there by Pantaleon. Here's the break for San Andres. Here's Bernardo for 3. Not this time, but there is Gil. She pulled it back. Here's Marvin Eno. Stopping by 3. Yes, sir! Marvin Eno, 3. What a punch he did from Marvin Eno. From a 3-point distance. Lead is back to 9. Bernardo loses the handles. Shot is a miss. Rebound by Supekaray. Here is Laudel. They will burn the clock down with an absolute wire this time. He's up against Caimo. Morante with the reception. 10 seconds to work with. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Astin is there from Galuda. Here's Cupbear. Cupbear for 3. Yes, sir! Cupbear Galuda. 3. Timeout. Sabak defenders. 14 seconds remaining. So the guys there, there's a foul. Penalty. Foul on numbers 22. Randy Franco. His first personal foul, penalty. 2 free throws for Roel Supekaray. First shot is a miss for Laurel. Here on the point for him, that's a loose board. Goal goes to San Andres there. 44 seconds remaining. Here's the break. Compare with the reception. And there will be a foul. Correction. Up, bounce. Posting sweet Saban. 13 on the shot block. Marvin with the reception. Abelio has it, lays it in, and he is fouled. Foul number 22. Correction holder, foul is on number 22. So there's a foul, 2 throws for Jonathan Abelio. First shot goes in for Jonathan. 35 seconds remaining. 2 for 2 for him. And he's 12 points off the score game, make it 13. Here's Palero, Ricky. Granades for Day. Oh yeah, rebound by Jonathan. And there will be a foul. Foul number 22. It's Randy Franco. His third personal foul, penalty. 50 throws for Jonathan Abelio. Actually, that is fourth personal foul on Randy Franco. 2 free throws for Jonathan Abelio. First shot goes in for Jonathan. Sixteen points for Jonathan Abelio. Here's Cupbear, Galuda, cross court. Shot is a miss. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds remaining. Enoch will waste the time now. At the end of regulation, the final score 76-62. Won by Sabang Defenders.